Hello, welcome back to the Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips, the details guide for Route 2 HR Finance and TQM. Route 2 HR Finance TQM. If you can watch the other video for the production, marketing and R&D, also watch the other video for one here. You get the top result for 8 rounds, right? 8 rounds. If you follow the strategy, you see you can get the top result for one. Top sale, top profit, and top stock price, right? You see on the screen, right? So now we focus on route 2 HR Finance and TQM. I show you the detail. So for route 2, we have HR Human Resource Decision. So we can use max of 5,000 or 80 hours, but we can save some cost in route 2 and 3. So use 3,000 enough. For training hours, we can use max 80 hours, but we now use 40 hours to save some cost and get some profit in early rounds, right? And for finance, now we can use a stop price here, the max stop price on the 3 sources of fund. We can use a current dash here, about 10,000, and also we can use a max long-term dash here, 22,000. So we keep about 50 million for cash to avoid any emergency loans, right? So that's our strategy in route 2. So you see that we check the income statement here. We get very high sales here and 31% of contribution margin and nearly 6% of net profit. We check if the last round result here we get here we can increase nearly 90 million, right? And increase a good sale and good profit. That's good enough for round 1 and round 2 and round 3. From later round we can double the sale and double the profit, right? Double the sale and double profit. So remember, that's a very detailed guide tip for all the decision from the R&D, marketing, production, and HR Finance TQM to get the top result of CapSim, Capstone, right? If you follow the right strategy, you can get top result for all the 8 rounds. For the result, if you have any question, you can send the email to mbasim.ferris@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.